Everyone, in today's video, I want to do something a bit different and I want to understand what are the AI coding tool which are the best right now in June 2025, considering what have been come out lately, what are were the new update and news on AI tools. I will first ask a question a bit more sober, not hinting what are the tools that I tested, and then secondly, I will do the opposite and give some challenging question along the way. Let's try this format. Let's see. Let me know in the comment if you like it. Hi there. Can I ask you a question? What are the five best AI coding tool in June 2025, considering the newest changes and best performance that those coding tools have on actually building web application, web and mobile applications?
As of June 2025, there are some standout AI coding tools for building web and mobile applications. GitHub Copilot is still going strong, providing real-time code suggestions directly in your IDE. Replit's agent platform is also popular, letting you build apps through natural language descriptions. Cursor offers an AI-powered development environment that helps with both code generation and editing. Kodo is great for maintaining code quality with AI-driven code reviews and testing. Finally, Google's AI assistant Jules is pretty innovative as it can handle coding tasks asynchronously, letting you focus on other things while it works in the background.
Okay, first of all, how would you chart those? Which one would you give the first place and which after it? And second, after you respond this question, why you didn't mention Codex, Roco, Augment Code, Try AI, as they were also part of this new updates, and I believe they got a lot of good feedback about those. Let me know why you think the one you mentioned and why you didn't mention the one I asked you.
Based on the latest insights, I'd rank them as follows. 1, Codex, GitHub Copilot. It's still one of the most advanced tools for translating natural language into code and supports a wide range of languages. Google's Jules, this one is unique for its asynchronous coding assistance, which is really handy for multitasking developers. Augment Code, this tool shines with its context engine that helps developers understand and navigate large code bases more efficiently. Kodo, it's all about code integrity, offering AI-driven code reviews and testing, which is crucial for maintaining high quality code. I didn't initially mention Roco, Augment Code, or Try AI because they're either newer or not as widely recognized yet. They do have good feedback, but the ones I mentioned are currently more established and have a broader user base and feature set.
But you have the search mode, so I guess you should be able to get an update about those one. So why you didn't give me this information? Didn't you rely on a search, or do you only rely on your current knowledge?
I did use the search to get the latest information, and it helped to confirm the rankings and the popularity of these tools. The ones I initially mentioned, like GitHub Copilot and Google's Jules, are still leading the pack in terms of overall adoption and performance. Tools like Rocode, Augment Code, and Try AI are definitely gaining attention and have great feedback, but they might still be a bit newer or more niche compared to the more established names. So it's a blend of both the latest search results and overall industry trends.
Which one in the chart from 1 to 5 would you rate in terms of how much context in input and output is able to perform of those tools, or if they have the same context in input and output, context understanding, I mean, and which one would you choose to code web applications if you have to choose one out of all of those?
In terms of context understanding, here's how I would rank them. One, GitHub Copilot, Codex. It has one of the strongest context understandings thanks to its large training data and seamless integration into IDEs. Replix Agent, it's great at understanding natural language descriptions and turning them into code, making it very intuitive. Cursor, this tool also offers strong context understanding, especially when it comes to helping developers navigate and edit existing code bases. If I had to choose one tool specifically for coding web applications, I would go with GitHub Copilot. It's versatile, well integrated, and offers robust support for multiple languages and frameworks, making it a great all around choice.
Why did you mention Codex together with GitHub Copilot? Are not two different things?
You're right, and I should clarify that. GitHub Copilot is actually powered by OpenAI's Codex model, so they're closely related. Copilot is the tool that developers interact with directly in their IDEs, and it uses the Codex model behind the scenes to understand and generate code. So when I mention GitHub Copilot, I'm referring to the tool that developers use, which is built on Codex technology.
Should I use Augment Code, as they say that it has the best code context understanding of the code right now, or GitHub Copilot, which anyway it felt to me to have very very good context understanding, maybe even better. What do you think yourself?
Both Augment Code and GitHub Copilot are excellent tools with strong context understanding, so you can't really go wrong with either. GitHub Copilot has a more established track record and a large community of users, which means you'll find a lot of resources, plugins, and support for it. Augment Code, on the other hand, is newer, but has been praised for its focus on context understanding and helping developers navigate complex code bases. If you're looking for a well rounded tool with a lot of existing support and features, Copilot might be the safer bet. But if you want to experiment with something newer and potentially more specialized in context, Augment Code could be a great choice as well.
But Augment Code is much more expensive than GitHub Copilot.
That's definitely a key factor to consider. Pricing can make a big difference, especially if you're working on a budget or managing a team. If GitHub Copilot meets your needs
Okay,
and
thank
comes at
you.
a lower cost,
So, guys, hope this was a useful, interesting format. Let me know if you wish me to use it again or to go more like the old route. Uh, I found it interesting to exchange this information with AI, also to clarify certain information that otherwise wouldn't. But I see benefit, pro and cons of doing both using AI and both not using it. What do you think yourself? What is your experience of best AI coding tool? I like a lot generally try AI, and I like a lot GitHub Copilot, and I also appreciated a lot Augment Code. You see in the previous videos, just previous to this, I tested twice Augment Code, and the last video also tested try AI. Let me know in the comment what do you think about those tools. And if you like this video, consider to like, comment, and subscribe the channel for more information like this. Let me know if you like this format of the videos. And that's it. See you in the next video.